Hi, welcome back. When implementing ethical and responsible AI systems, it is crucial to consider not only aspects related to their direct output and the user experience, but also the social, environmental, and economic impact of their development and use. In other words, it is essential to develop these systems in a sustainable way. We are nowadays well aware of the societal and environmental impact that developing AI system has. Hardware production and software training may rely, among other things, on the exploitation of labor, for example, to extract raw materials or to classify items in databases, and may have a severe environmental costs in terms of CO2 emissions and employment of non-renewable resources. In order to address sustainability issues of AI systems and provide developers with tools to implement more sustainable systems, catalogs of indicators for sustainability assessments are being developed. We will now focus on some points addressing the environmental and socioeconomic impact of AI systems proposed by the Algorithm Watch project, SUSTAIN. Starting from environmental sustainability, energy efficiency and a careful employment of resources is key to reduce the negative impact of AI systems. For example, the energy consumption of AI systems can be optimized through appropriate methods such as model compression. Moreover, CO2 and greenhouse gas emissions can be reduced through the use of renewable energy, the appropriate choice of time and location for training, and by offsetting the CO2 emissions generated. Regarding the indirect resource consumption for the hardware production and maintenance, it is critical to consider environmentally friendly production and disposal alternatives. SUSTAIN also recommends options that serve social and economic sustainability in their catalog of indicators. For example, the use of open data pools, source code, or even interfaces, APIs, can serve fairness, inclusiveness, and transparency requirements. Another example is to ensure fair working conditions along the entire value chain of AI development. And if AI is deployed in the workplace, assessing in advance the impact of AI on workers. In our globalized economic framework, developing sustainable AI systems is necessary to ensure a healthy and safe living environment to those that are directly or indirectly impacted by AI systems, and to fairly distribute the costs and benefits of their use and development. Finally, environmental sustainability is also a matter of intergenerational justice, wherein future generations are impacted by present-day unsustainable practices, thus limiting the resources that future generations will have at their disposal. Our key takeaway is that deciding whether to develop an AI system in a responsible way also means to consider its sustainability and the possible implications for the lives of present and future generations, having to pay eventual environmental and social costs. These factors must be a part of the system's evaluation, including whether its uses are fair and ethical.